are so confident that the Sri Lankan army did not commit any crimes or war crimes during the conflict, why not allow for an independent body to come in and make their own independent investigation?
I don't want my internal matters to be
අවදි කරනු මැන හැම හදවත් තුල සතුට පිබිදෙනා උදාහිරක් විවර කරනු මැන අපට අහිමි
So you're saying that this commission you've appointed will investigate alleged war crimes?
no, if there is anything they will come and complain to us. Then we will inquire.
Will you take action against those who committed these alleged war crimes?
Yes, certainly.
Even if they're on your side, even if they're connected to you?
If it is a crime, whether if I did do, whether it is my relation, my army commander or anybody,
නැගී සිටින්නට අතදිගු කරනා
so we have to punish them.
මහානායකයෙක්
We can't punish a person for defeating terrorism. So if the international community wants to punish Sri Lanka for defeating terrorism, I'm not for that.
You can understand the international community's concern. If you have an internal investigation, a government that is investigating itself in terms of, where is the transparency? How can we be assured that it will be fair and just and transparent?
We don't ask that from the Americans. We don't go and ask that from the British or any other country about Iraq or Afghanistan or what is happening in Pakistan. This is be fair with us. Be fair with us. Don't treat Sri Lanka because we are like this because we defeated terrorism. Unfortunately, other countries couldn't defeat terrorism yet. So we have done that.
Earlier this year, you had an overwhelming electoral victory. And so